Dartboard Setup, your guide to perfecting your game. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of darts. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about dartboard setup. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide is for you. So, let's get started and master the art of setting up a dartboard. Before we jump into the setup, it's important to understand what a dartboard is. A dartboard is a circular board divided into 20 sections, each with a specific score. It's a game of skill where players throw darts at the board to score points. The goal is to hit specific targets to accumulate the highest score. Selecting the right dartboard is crucial. There are two main types: bristle dartboards and electronic dartboards. Bristle dartboards are traditional and widely used in professional games. They are made of sisal fibers and are perfect for steel-tipped darts. Electronic dartboards, on the other hand, are ideal for casual players and use soft-tip darts. They often come with automatic scoring systems. Now, let's set up your dartboard. 1. Height. The center of the bullseye should be 5 feet 8 inches, 173 centimeters, from the ground. 2. Distance. Players should throw darts from a line called the OCHE. This line should be 7 feet 9.25 inches, 237 cm, from the dartboard. 3. Lighting. Ensure the dartboard is well lit, but avoid glare that can distract players. 4. Surrounds. To protect your walls, consider installing a surround around your dartboard. Safety is key. Make sure your playing area is clear of other people, especially when throwing darts. Regularly check your dartboard for wear and tear. Rotating the board occasionally can help even out the wear on different sections. There you have it. Setting up your dartboard correctly can significantly enhance your playing experience. We hope this video helps you set up your dartboard like a pro. Happy darting, and see you in the next video.